Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the language of your Amazon account. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search type web address, enter here amazon.com. This will take you to the official web page of your Amazon account. Now tap on this profile icon on the top right, scroll down and tap on the CL option straight to your account on the right corner. Scroll down. On the bottom, you can see an option of help. Tap on help, tap on the search help option, enter here change language and then search for this option. Tap on this language settings option. Now you can choose a suitable language for yourself. It's either English or Espanol. I'm going to choose Espanol just like this and then tap on this Guarder Cambios option on the right corner. So you can see that just by doing it, I have successfully changed the language of my Amazon account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.